Manifest count confirmed.
Physical count matches the manifest. The shipment is secure. The camera pans across the tiered racks, revealing hundreds of hatchlings. Automated fans circulate pure.
The system automatically logs the time and quantity of the dosage against the snake's ID, ensuring airflow is stable at 25 psi.
Verified. Module 4 is within tolerance.
Infrared sensors track the snake's body temperature, ensuring the environmental controls compensate to ease the shedding process.
The infrared camera monitors the snake, displaying a clear thermal hotspot. The AI algorithm analyzes.
Module 7B is showing a slight pressure drop.
It's within tolerance, but we should cycle the secondary AHU.
The robotic arm precisely injects microcapsules containing growth hormones and immune boosters.
Vitals look good on specimen 12.
Confirmed. Behavior is calm and stable.
The optical scan confirms the consistent color and texture, concluding the physical transformation of the raw material.
Process A is entirely concluded. All specimens are physically.
The scan verifies the integrity of the snake systems, a crucial step in the rigorous health check for Model P-O17 certification.
Assessing sustained predatory drive in Texas rat snake. The snake is introduced into a complex,
Temperament assessment complete. The subject exhibits controlled defensive behavior. Behavioral score 8.5. Certified for deployment.
Inside the field of behavior, the harshest environments.
Model P-O17 applies the sensor. Analyzing the venom gland status, the result is confirmed negative. The snake passes through a decontamination arch, where a fine, specialized anti-parasitic coating is applied to its scale.
A robotic labeling machine applies detailed shipping manifests and biohazard warnings. The manifest clearly
Scanner confirms health status verified.
All right, authorization approved.
The technician installs low-profile cameras to monitor the snake's success, providing crucial data back to the factory for
Model P-O17 is demonstrating healthy integration. The scanner verifies optimal weight gain and system stability.
perfectly camouflaged, the P-O17 utilizes natural cover.
The Model P-O17 smoothly traverses the rocky embankment, showcasing the physical resilience achieved during its controlled rearing.
The factory-bred Model P-O17 offers a sustainable pest control solution, harmonizing perfectly with the local ecosystem.
I'm picking up the signal on level 4. See it there?
Yes, looks like 017 is actively patrolling the infestation zone.
The data shows a significant reduction in pest populations. We praise the consistent size and vigor of the Model P-O17 snakes.
The Model P-O17 maintains the peak condition achieved during certification, demonstrating the long-term resilience. The 1.5-meter snake pushes powerfully through thick undergrowth, demonstrating the strength and determination necessary.